only 5 of them. I would not be surprised if one of them killed her. Fitness? They only wanted money. They even tried to kill little Mrs. Norris.
Shut up! What do you know? Only the strongest survive. And if you're fit, you're also strong. It is as simple as that. Well, I will go jogging for an hour or so to keep my mind fresh.
Well, I will go for a little sleep to keep my mind fresh. There's nothing better than a little sleep. But you here, you can't go to sleep. If we see one of you sleeping, we will come to you tonight, and that